What if I told you that in 30 days, you can turn your shoemaking skills into an actual side hustle that makes good money? Yes, even when you don't have Davido's uncle as an uncle, just you, your hands, and a smart plan. Hi fam, I'm Chinenye, the founder of Lots Comfort Pair. I teach beginners how to create quality handmade footwears and bags and make money from them. Today, I'm sharing how you can go from a casual skilled person to a proud business owner in just a month. A quick confession, when I made my first pair of slippers, I never planned to sell them. I just wanted something beautiful but of superior quality that didn't cost a fortune. But someone saw a photo I posted online, placed an order, and suddenly I was running a business with zero capital. So trust me, sis, if I can pull this off, you too can. Step 1, master one design. Week 1 is all about focus. Pick one simple but market friendly design and master it. Please don't make a mistake of trying to create a whole fashion line in 7 days because you will end up getting frustrated. I'll never forget our first bestseller. It was a basic leather slippers, simple, comfy, and easy to produce. I remember we always get sold out of that particular design because anybody that walked into the store would love to slide his feet into them. Step 2, create excitement early. By week 2, start sharing behind the scene clips. You can post a reel of you cutting sew or show off the leather you want to use for the project and ask your friends which color they would prefer to buy. By so doing, you are making people to be part of your journey and secretly warming up your first customers. I remember we used this strategy when we were about to launch the Eliana bag. I posted the picture of the bows that I will attach to the leather. I even posted a picture of the bag when I had just finished wrapping the interfacing with the leather. And even a video of me making the bag with my daughter seeking for my attention in the background. By the way, the DIY video on how to create the Eliana bag is available on this channel, and you can head over to Seller and download the pattern illustration video. Step 3, sell before you finish. Week 3 is where the magic happens, and this is when you take pre-orders. Introduce the design to your audience. You can tell them that you produce just 10 samples for the first batch. It will spark scarcity in their minds, and you will get paid for the designs. Over here at Lots, we do pre-orders most of the time. Once a customer likes our design and shows interest in purchase, he pays upfront to show commitment. We then do what we know how best to do and deliver. You may decide to collect 50 to 70% of the total fee, while the customer pays the remaining when you deliver. Step 4, deliver and celebrate. In week 4, produce those orders you got and deliver them on time. Take beautiful pictures of the finished work. You can even post testimonials from happy customers. And that's it, guys. You have successfully launched a side hustle in 30 days. You can use this formula to build a profitable side hustle right from your living room. By the way, if you want to perfect your footwear making skills as a beginner, my detailed online course was made having you in mind, and you can access it on Seller. The link will be in the description box below. Don't forget to like and share this video and join this amazing community by subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next video.